Hey guys, it's me, Amy, the numbered one. I am over here at the Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport, where we can park and watch planes land. There is a thunderstorm heading our way, and I just went and grabbed Hawaii Poke Bowl, which is basically right maybe like a mile from here. So I just figured I'd stop here and watch planes land for a little bit. It's kind of cool. If you haven't seen it and you live in the area, check it out. I don't know what this place is called, other than I know it's like across the street here from FedEx, from one of their distribution centers. But anyway, it's kind of peaceful. A lot of people come over here and park. You have like a front row seat to the planes landing. Yeah, just nice to get out of the house sometimes. But I also wanted to chat quick about my upcoming journey with possibly getting a pancreas transplant. The University of Minnesota reached out to me recently and asked me if I would be interested in it. And I said, yes, I'm interested in learning about the process, learning about the risks, learning about the benefits, learning about all of it. So I am very excited that on April 24th, I'm going to be having a full day of appointments at the U of M to meet with the surgeon, to meet with the team, to meet with the nutritionist, to meet with everyone, to get some testing done. It's literally from like 7 a.m. to I think 3 p.m. So it is a full day and I'm excited. April 24th also happens to be my diabetic anniversary. So that was the date that I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. This year will be 34 years. So I think it's a sign from God that, you know, because this appointment now is on April 24th, I need to see it through. And if it's not a good option for me right now, then that's fine. If it is a good option for me, but not immediately, but you know, hopefully soon, that's good. You do have to be a certain body weight. The surgeon looks at your stomach area where the surgery would be and lets you know like, hey, you're ready, or it'd probably be best if you lost some weight, you know, lost some fat, gained some more muscle in that area to help with recovery. They take this very seriously, as they should. They've done many surgeries. I don't know how many, but they've done many transplants, pancreas transplants. So I am going to find out all of that when I meet with them in like less than 10 days. And I'm going to bring you guys with me to that appointment, that day of appointments, and on the whole journey. So I am very excited. Like I said, I hope to show you, you know, the ins and outs, the ups and downs of this whole journey, and also just continue to show you the struggles that type 1 diabetes brings, but also what it also brings to us as positive things. You know, it's basically forcing us to eat good. And if we don't eat good, it causes insulin resistance, which causes diabetes, especially type 2 diabetes. But, you know, diabetes is like our body's way of trying to tell us we need to eat from the earth, eat things that aren't processed, do what you're supposed to do to be healthy. And, you know, even as a type 1 diabetic, no, there's not a cure. You know, eating good doesn't necessarily make it go away. It's not a cure, but it sure will help you. You won't have to take as much insulin. You won't have as much of an insulin resistance. And there's things you can do to be healthy. So I am looking forward to it. And I'm going to enjoy my dinner here and get home, because this weather does look a little crazy for like April 16th. This is a little wild that we're having thunderstorms today, but I'm enjoying it. Thunderstorms are one of my favorite things. Being out in nature, thunderstorms, rain, sun, all of it. I just love it all. So I'm gonna enjoy my dinner, and you guys can enjoy watching the planes land. All right, bye-bye. always get the crab salad plus the crab meat plus ginger, nori shreds, cucumber, edamame, avocado, tomato, white onions, yum yum sauce, lettuce, cilantro, and a tiny bit of white rice. I don't get much rice at all though. It's so good. Thank you again for watching this video, and as I said, I'm very excited to share my possible pancreas transplant journey with you. I will also be sharing more videos and podcasts regarding life as a type 1 diabetic. So please like, comment, subscribe, all of the things so that you can follow along. I hope you have a very good day.